The Key Secured credit card is a straightforward tool for building or rebuilding credit, and it's designed with one clear goal: to help users demonstrate responsible credit use. It reports every payment to all three major credit bureaus, which is critical for improving a credit score over time. The card requires a refundable deposit that doubles as the credit limit, anywhere from $300 to $5,000, and there's no annual fee, so it won't cost anything to keep open. KeyBank reviews accounts regularly, creating a path to graduate to an unsecured card and get the deposit back without having to reapply. It also includes Mastercard benefits like ID Theft Protection and Zero Liability, along with free FICO Score access to track progress without hurting credit. The biggest drawbacks come from its high 27.24% variable APR, which makes carrying a balance very expensive, and the fact that it doesn't allow cash advances, balance transfers, or convenience checks. This limits the card's flexibility compared to other options. The foreign transaction fee of 3%, except in Canada, also makes it a poor choice for frequent international purchases. Since the credit limit is tied to the deposit, it won't offer significant spending power unless a large amount is set aside. In summary, this card works well for those with little or poor credit history who are disciplined enough to pay off their balance every month and want a direct path toward an unsecured card. The risks lie in carrying a balance at the high interest rate or expecting extra features like rewards or travel perks. Used correctly, it's a stepping stone towards stronger credit, but mismanaging it can make the road to better credit even longer.